Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and my team and I hope everybody's in good health. Selfitness Club is going to open on the 1st and basically I'm here to tell you what to expect when you come into the gym. So come on right with me so I show you what is happening at Selfitness Club. We have our washing basin. When you come in, you have to make sure that you wash your hands before coming in. The reception is going to ask you a couple of questions. First, number one question is, have you come in contact with anyone who had the virus? Number two, have you been outside the country within the last 14 days? Number three, are you having any symptoms or cough? And then lastly, obviously, your temperature will be taken. Yes, of any of these questions, you will not be allowed into the gym. And this is done, or we're going to do this for the safety of our employees and the safety of our clients. That you come across, or the first thing you have to do is use the hand sanitizer. Right when you come in, you make sure that you use the hand sanitizer before touching any of these equipments here. This is phase 1 of Selfitness Club opening. Selfitness Club has put in some measures to make sure that our clients and our employees are safe. So we've made some changes in our operations. And this is the first phase. This is phase 1 of our operation. So what has changed? Before, you can just come right on in and work out so far as you've paid your subscriptions or whatnot. But now what is going to happen is when you come in, before that you have to call the front desk. You have to call the front desk to book that you're coming into the gym. We have available a 90-minute slot for every client. We are doing this so that we can have enough room for other clients who want to come in. So we are having a 90-minute slot a day for every client who comes in. So you have to call the front desk informing them that you are coming into the gym. When you come in, again, I already explained to you what needs to be done downstairs. When you come in, you'd have to see the front desk to confirm that you are in the gym. You know, sometimes someone might call and not show up. We hope that doesn't happen. But when you call in, you have to confirm that you are in. Why are we doing this again? We are doing this to make sure that, knock on wood, if anything happens, we can trace the numbers or we can trace who was in the gym at what particular time. So that's the reason why we are having that slots and that name confirming. So when you come in, you realize that our changing room is closed for now. And that's just the phase 1 of our reopening. The changing rooms will be closed. When you come in, as much as possible before and after workout, you have to make sure that you use a disinfectant to clean or to wipe on the surface that you are using. So that's what needs to be done. So within every slot of 90 minutes, we are only taking 10 clients. So if you call in for, let's say I want to come to the gym at 9 o'clock, and when you call in, it's booked for that 9 o'clock shift, we can put you on the next shift. So that basically we avoid that crowd in the gym. We have some of our guys who come in and do this support thing, they call it. That will not be encouraged because, mind you, I'm on this bench and have someone supporting me. And we're talking about high intensity. Because of high intensity, people shouldn't wear their face mask. If I lean on the bench and someone is supporting me, it's dangerous and it should be avoided. We are hoping that our clients who come in here would adhere to the rules and regulations we have so that we can have a safe environment. Number 1 is to save our clients, and number 2, obviously, our employees. Lives needs to be saved, but business at the same time needs to move on. So when you come right to the second floor, again, in phase 1, there's not going to be any aerobics. I know there's not going to be any aerobics just for the safety of our clients and our staff. But when you come into the second floor, we have our hand sanitizer here that you can use right next to the sauna. You can use the hand sanitizer before coming here. And when you come up here, you realize that we've moved the cardio equipment here. So as much as possible, we are hoping that we'll have some clients here and some clients downstairs. We'll try as much as possible to avoid the crowd. This environment is here, or those who want to work out on their cardio. Again, this is just the phase one of our reopening. You realize that the boxing gloves, the mats, and other equipments that we have here have been removed. And if you have any of those at home, you can always bring them in and then work out. And don't forget, anytime you're coming in to work out, use the hand sanitizer and clean before and after. I mean, it's important. During the pandemic, we had to close the gym. So obviously what we did at Selfitness Club for our clients as a way of appreciation is to freeze all accounts. So all accounts have been frozen, meaning when you come to the gym, if your account is active, you wouldn't have to pay till that expiring time. So that's what Selfitness Club has done as a form of appreciation and to welcome you back to the gym. Can't wait to see you.